Why plan an at-home workout schedule?
By organizing your week to do some morning activities, you ensure all major muscle groups are targeted, you reduce the risk of injury, and you make room for variety, helping to avoid boredom. Planning ahead allows you to fit exercise into your lifestyle, even with a busy schedule, setting you up for long-term success.
Assess your fitness goals and availability.
Start by identifying your primary goals, such as building strength, increasing endurance, or improving flexibility. Consider how many days you realistically have for exercise. Whether it's 3, 4, or 6 times a week, recognizing your available time and capabilities helps shape a routine you can stick to, while targeting your desired outcomes.
Balance your workout types.
A well-rounded schedule includes cardio, strength, flexibility, and rest days. For example, alternate between full-body strength workouts, heart-pumping cardio sessions, and mobility-focused activities like yoga or stretching. Mixing different types of exercise ensures overall fitness, reduces the risk of overuse injuries, and keeps your routine enjoyable.
Sample weekly at-home routine structure.
Here's a sample framework for a balanced week. Monday, body weight strength. Tuesday, cardio. Wednesday, yoga or stretching. Thursday, upper body strength. Friday, cardio. Saturday, lower body strength. Sunday, rest or gentle movement. Adjust exercise types and days as needed to match your goals and recovery needs.
Tips to stay consistent at home.
Designate a workout space, set reminders, and track your progress. Changing up routines occasionally keeps things fresh. Try following online workout videos, using phone alarms for accountability, and celebrating milestones to stay motivated. Remember, flexibility is key. If you miss a session, simply get back on track the next day.